How to hide photos from your Instagram profile. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So you will see that it's super easy. So here, as you can see, I am on my profile on my Instagram app. So if you want to hide one photo and you don't want people to see that photo on your profile, but you don't want to delete it either, you can go ahead and hide that photo and you won't lose any likes and comments. So let's choose the photo that we want to hide. So I will choose this one right here. So you want to click on those three dots from the right top corner. And from here you want to click on archive, and then that photo is not longer on my profile, so people won't see it. So if you want to go to that photo, you will find it in archive. So go and click on those three lines from the right top corner and then click on archive next to settings. And then here at post archive, because we also have story archives and live archive, we will find our photo. And if you want to take this photo out of here and make it public again, you have to click on those three dots from the right top corner and then click on show on profile. So now let's go back, and then we want to refresh our page, and as you can see, the photo is back right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.